So I'm just setting up to start installing these stringers. Already pre-cut. Yeah, the stringers. I'm going to install this center one first and let that tack up a bit, stiffen up, and then I'll install the outside too after that one's in, because I don't have enough time today to do all three of them. But yeah, so I've already sanded up the floor area, which is going to be under the flat floor. So again, I've got painter's tape to protect the fiberglass area. I don't want any epoxy on fiberglass, just using it for gluing only. And I've done the same on that Thermolite piece there. So I've had straight epoxy and then thickened epoxy on these. So I'm just going to sit that in there now. All right, so that's dropped in. Got a few weights on it, a few little templates holding it where it needs to be. So I've just got to go through now and scrape all that excess off. So I've taped off the last stringer here. You can see I've already sanded this surface, but I've put some deeper scratches through where this string is going to go. I'm just about to paint unthickened epoxy, West Systems epoxy, onto this area and also onto the stringer where it's going to be abutting this, and then I'll put the thickened epoxy on and press it in. So I've got my 2 pots of thickened epoxy now, all knocked up. So yeah, I'm going to go and install that now.